exposing the secrets to seamless digital performance. You need to watch this if you struggle with tech glitches. Imagine a world where your tech never lets you down. That's the power of Techseya.k's maintenance services. From regular system updates that keep you ahead of the curve to real-time security monitoring that shields you from cyber threats, Techseya has got your back, but we don't stop there. Our experts swiftly squash bugs and turbocharge your system's performance, making it faster and more efficient. Picture your business running like a well-oiled machine thanks to our dedicated team and cutting-edge tools. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied clients rave about improved performance, enhanced security, and reduced downtime. Techseya.lk maximizes your uptime, enhances user experiences, and offers personalized support tailored to your needs. So why settle for less? Choose Techseya.lk and keep your digital world running seamlessly. Visit us today and let's power up your tech game.